Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Transit wing mirror. Remove the interior trim panel by prying gently at the clips with a trim tool, then disconnect the mirror connector and tape it aside. Unscrew the 3 mounting bolts using the correct bit, support the mirror while removing bolts, and carefully lift the mirror away from the door to avoid paint damage. Begin by lowering the window slightly for easier access and remove the interior door cap or cover. Pry away the trim gently to expose the mirror mount and keep clips safe. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the tab, then hold the mirror firmly while removing the 3 mounting bolts so it does not drop and scratch the door paint. Position the new mirror with the wiring routed through the hole and start the bolts by hand to get proper thread alignment. Tighten each bolt evenly until snug, then check the mirror for wobble and adjust as needed. Reconnect the electrical plug and test heating, indicators, and motor functions before replacing the interior trim and seals to finish the installation confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.